Perhaps you already know this, but Google insists on updating your apps to new Target API levels. So you might receive emails occasionally or get this hint in Google Play Console itself informing you that Google Play's Target API level requirements affect some of your apps, and that a certain amount of your apps target an older version of Android. So why is this important? To provide users with a safe and secure experience, Google Play requires all apps to meet specific Target API level requirements, and they want this done before a specified date. If you don't follow, your apps will not be available anymore to the public. So what's the action required from your end? It's simple. You must update the apps to target the latest Android version. Take the chance and perform updates on used libraries, features and functions, and even the layout of your app and the information in the Play Store itself. But don't stress. Google is offering to postpone the deadline for a few months to give you some breathing space. This can be done within the Google Play Console itself. Choose a reason, and you usually should get a deferral. When you're ready to make these updates, remember to use the App Store Manager and Android Release Notes Creator to update the Google Play Store as well. This way, you can save significant time on your app updates. So let's get to it and keep our apps up to date and secure for all users.